Hello everyone, today we are going to create 3D models for exercise number 20 with AutoCAD software. First, I will press F7 to hide cut and we can create line. Start from this point to drag here, I will set into 46. The next, you can move to the bottom here, we can set for length into 100. And then you can press tab button to use angles. We can set angle in here into 73 degree and you can press enter. The next we can move to the bottom here with length 110. You can press escape button to close. The next I will use a mirror command to mirror this object. Start from middle point in here to the bottom, and I will use a join command to join between these two objects, and also in here I will join. The next you can use offset command. We can set offset distance into 5. You can click this object, click inside, and click up this object again, click inside. The next in here we can use trim command, okay, to extend these objects and also extend at this point. You can create a line. Start from this point into this point. The next we can create line from this point into here. In here I will use a trim command to cut this line object. Okay, now you can use orbit command. You can orbit this object, and I will use a press pull to convert this cat into 3D models. You can tap press pull, select this face or region. You can tap M to use a multiple option. Click again in this point, enter. The next we can set for extrusion into 40. I can press enter. You also can press pull at this region, move to the top, we can set into 5 and press enter again. The next we can use a union command to combine these all objects, so it will be combined. Now I will move this object into this point, and you can delete this sketch. We can use a fillet command, and I will set the radius into 10. We can fillet at this edge. Also we fillet in here. You can press enter to apply, so it will fillet with a radius 10. The next we can change into right view, and now you can use a fillet command. You can type a fillet edge, press enter with radius 20. We can fillet at this edge. Okay, you can select again in here, the next in here, and the last at this point. You can press enter to apply. Now we can create circle from center point. Okay, select from this point. I will set for radius into 10, and you can copy this circle object into X direction. You can set into 30 and copy again 60. The next we can use extrude command to extrude these 3 circle objects into here. Now you can use a subtract command to subtract this object with these 3 cylinders objects, so it will be quite tall in it. Now in the front here we can create a circle again. I will use meet between 2 points for a base point. You can click from this point, middle point, and also in here, middle point, so it will be correct in the center point. We can set a radius into 25. The next we create again circle from a center point. We can set a radius into 15. You can press enter. You can change into realistic view or set with edge to view in a 3D visual style. Now in here I will use extrusion tools, so we can extrude this 2 circle into this direction. We can set into 45. The next you can extrude again at this face. Also we select in here, extrude into this direction 45 degree. Press enter. You can change into 2D wireframe, and in here I will use a subtract command to subtract 3 objects. You can click here 1, 2 and 3. we subtract with the cylinder inside here. 1, 2, you can press enter again. So it will be create hole and combine between all objects. You can change into set with edge. It will be combined. The last, we can use a fill edge command with radius 10 to fillet at this edge. You can type fillet edge, press enter, and press R, enter to set the radius into 10. You can select at this edge also in here. Okay, we can click at this point and in here. The next, you can orbit, select again at this point. And the last, we can set in the bottom. In here, you can press enter and enter again. So it will be fillet in the edge. You can see. Now we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 20 with AutoCAD software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.